LendInvest app. The pros, the cons. LendInvest is a property-focused investment platform that provides access to real estate opportunities, including development loans and buy-to-let investments. But is it right for you? Starting with the pros. First, access to property deals. LendInvest allows individual investors to participate in property investments without needing to buy a whole property. Second, portfolio diversification. Investors can include real estate alongside stocks and bonds, reducing overall portfolio risk. Third, professional management. Properties and loans are managed by experts, relieving users of day-to-day responsibilities. Now, the cons. One limitation is liquidity. Real estate investments are generally less liquid than stocks, so accessing funds quickly can be challenging. Another drawback is risk. Property investments depend on market conditions, borrower reliability, and interest rates, which may impact returns. The surprising truth? Many investors overlook real estate because of high capital requirements. LendInvest's fractional approach lowers barriers, making it accessible to a wider audience. In conclusion, the pros: access to property deals, diversification, and professional management make LendInvest appealing for investors seeking real estate exposure. The cons: limited liquidity and market risk highlight the importance of cautious allocation. Overall, it's a practical platform for those wanting property exposure without full ownership responsibilities.